This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over a new strumming pattern. It's a fun one. It builds on stuff that we've done previously in the lesson series, but we haven't done this one yet, so it's going to be great. After I've gone over the strumming pattern, of course, we'll jam together on a chord progression using this strumming pattern, and as we're doing that, we'll have bass and drums accompaniment, so it's super, super fun. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. We're going to be on pages 93 and 94. This is strumming pattern number 22, found there on page 93, and we're going to be jamming together on chord progression number 10, found on page 94. Okay, so let's look at this strumming pattern. This one has what we might call a swung 16th note fill or a double time fill. I've talked about that in the previous lesson when I introduced that concept. And we worked on a strumming pattern that was really, really similar. It just had a quarter note on beat 4. Now we have a down, down, up with that 8th note and 2 16th notes. So this one goes down, 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 up, down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one has a lot to it. Sometimes it can help to just break it down. You're going to have down, down, areti, and down, down, reti, and then we'll add in our down up. So you have down, 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 up, reti, and down, 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 up, reti, and down, 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 up. Now we'll add an extra up. So you got reti, and down, 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 up, up, reti, and down, 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 up, up, reti, and. Then we add that down, 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 up, down, down. We'll do that much. Reti, and you got down, 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 up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. Then we just have to add the little down up there. So you got down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. We're going to be playing in the key of E major, so we can practice it on an E chord. So you'd have 1, a 2, a reti, and. Practice that as much as you need to at various tempos. We'll also be playing A and B7, so you can work those as if you'd like to as well. But right here in the video, we're going to go ahead and jam together on this chord progression. So we're doing number 10, found on page 94. We'll insert this once per measure. It's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and do it. It's going to happen twice. First at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, awesome. In the next video, we're going to take a look at another really, really great strumming pattern. So keep having fun, take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.